You know, the number of people who get in touch with me for jobs is quite a large sum. In most cases, they just want to ask me a few questions here and there, and what I can do for free, I do it for free. But if they want my time and expertise and guidance, obviously I have to charge them money. Now there are some, I don't know whether to call them human beings or to call them nutcases, who, when they approach me, I seriously wonder, something wrong with them? Now I'll give you a couple of examples of people who I feel something is seriously wrong with them up here. Huh? So you tell me which among them you think is the, I don't know, craziest of the lot, or stupid, most stupid one. I'll give you the examples, and the people in my group, they know of these people because I've shared this information with them without giving their numbers or details. So this particular guy, he calls me up, and I don't pick up the phone because he's not my client. So he sends me a message finally, hi Loy, big fan, this, that, okay, fine, whatever. And he says, I want a job in Dubai, UAE and all that. Oh, fine, okay. And he's saying, I'm looking at the position of director. Okay, director, wow, okay, very good. And salary, I'm looking at $15,000, $20,000. Huh? Okay, director, big salary. Send me your CV. Let me have a look. He sends me a CV. He's working as a manager in India. He has never been outside India. But now when he comes to UAE, from manager, he wants to be director. And then I ask him, what is your salary you're currently getting? The guy is currently getting, let's put a rough estimate, he's getting $5,000 or $6,000. Okay? Let's assume getting $5,000 or $6,000. Now, no, sorry. Say $3,000 per month. Okay? From $3,000, he wants $15,000. Okay? 15 to 20,000. From 3, he wants 15 to 20. So I ask him, why, can you explain to me the logic between you are earning $3,000 per month, now you want $15,000 or $20,000, what is the logic? Yeah, because it's a foreign country, foreign. Ah, okay. Standards of living is high. Ah, okay. And yes, you have to live like the rest of the people. Oh, okay. And then I ask him, why do you want to be from manager? What makes you think you'll be director? Yeah, you have to aim big. You have to, this thing, I'm moving from local to international. So I'm bringing international experience. Ah, okay. It didn't make sense to me what he was saying. Okay, from local you're going international, so now international position. Okay, fine, all right. And I asked him, anything else that made you believe that you deserve this? He's saying, yeah, I believe in myself and this and that. So I told him, see, listen, my dear friend, if anyone is offering you this job, go ahead and take it. Please take it. Okay. So then he tells me, no, I want your opinion. Okay. Can you get me a job? I told him, I don't get anyone any job because I don't want to get in between. Then he tries to bribe me. I'll give you 1 month's salary, $20,000. The salary which I want. If you get me what I want, I'll give you $20,000. I said, oh, very interesting. Good. I'll think about it. And I said bye-bye to him. So this was one. Then there was this female who spoke to her. She wanted a senior position in UAE, any place in UAE, in the Middle East, anywhere. And once again, big salary. I don't remember the exact amount. But when she showed me a CV, it was stupid. A nice photograph, and she's looking with long hair like this, and the typical Indian dress. I was like, boss, this is not going to work. The problem with females now, especially in the corporate world, if you tell them something, they take it very personally. She's like, why do you think I'll not get a job? I said, nobody will offer you this job, the position and the salary you're looking at. She wanted like a manager and, think whatever big salary. When I told her that, she said, this shows you're ignorant. She is telling me. I said, why? She said, do you know how many job offers I'm getting from Saudi and from Bahrain and Qatar and all that? She was giving me all bullshit. As it is, being a female, Saudi doesn't offer jobs like that. So I just kept quiet. I said, good, if they are offering you a job, please take it. No, she's saying, then why the hell are you there? She's telling me, why the hell are you there if we are... I told her, I didn't ask you to come to me. You came to me. I'm here because people who cannot get jobs, they'll come to me. Not people like you who are getting multiple job offers. And then next thing you know, she's saying, you're just like the rest. Something like that she told me. And she blocked me, I think. Another female. Then you get these guys who contact me repeatedly. This has increased. I don't know why. They want fake degrees. One guy wanted to be a doctor. I failed at this thing. Can you help me get a doctor's certificate? Another guy wanted me to help him migrate to Canada, Australia, this thing with fake papers. Another one is asking me, can you get me a girl to get married so I can get citizenship through marriage? Then I got even one where this guy was saying that if you can get me a job. I asked him his CV. CV is not there. He's saying it's no. CV is not done properly. Whatever. Just get me a job. I'll pay you cash. I said, what job? No, any job, customer service, anything in UAE. I'll pay you. So, and the payment is after he gets a job. So he'll give me 6 months salary. So first I have to get him a job. He doesn't have a CV, nothing. So I don't know, man. I really don't know what has gone wrong with our people. And then you get these young boys and young girls. Oh, please, I want to run away from India. India is such a this thing. I want to get a white passport. I want to go foreign. That's the name they give, foreign. And then you get these idiots, new breed. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a coach. Self-taught like you. They like to associate with me. I'm just like you, self-taught. How old are you? 20. Okay. So you're 20, I'm 45 or 44. Just like me. Okay. And I also want to earn. And then this one I found funny. Loy, I want to marry a Thai girl. Okay. Why? No, I see you're so happy with the Thai girl. Okay. Then what about? Got some money? No, Loy, I still, I'm not rich and all that. Then how will you marry? No, I want someone who loves me for me. Then when I ask him, what about in your area? You have any girls who like you? No. In your area, you don't have any girls who like you. In your area, you have nobody who wants to help you. So you want to leave your country where they speak your language and you speak their language. And you want to come to a foreign country where one is you need a visa. 2 is you need money. 3 is they don't speak your language. 4 is they don't want to associate with you if you are of no use to them. Nice birds. Can you see what sense does it make? And when I tell them that even if you want to marry any nationality, you need money. No, Loy, but you say in your video that she doesn't care about money. She's simple. I want a girl like that. Yeah, my wife is simple, but that doesn't mean she lives on water and grass. I give her a good life. You have to pay money. You have to literally spend money every single day. I don't know, maybe they're watching too many Hindi movies. See guys, listen, guys and girls. You're watching too much of social media. You're cherry picking information from videos and Facebook updates, and this is not real life. being a hero on WhatsApp or Facebook or social media and looking at these people and thinking you'll get their life. That's not reality. The reality is when you switch off your phone, when you switch off social media, and when you go for your daily grind. That is reality. And that is what you need to focus on. So please, I'm requesting you, switch off your fucking phone, disconnect the internet, and look around you. That is life. That is what you need to focus on. And until you get that in your head, nothing is going to change, man. I don't know why people think that there is this easy solution. This is pill you swallow and life changes. Doesn't work that way. Anyway, these are the kind of cartoons I meet. This is what is happening lately. Let me know, what do you think? Have you bumped into idiots like these? Or is it just me attracting these morons? Anyway, this is what I wanted to share with you guys. You guys take care.